When you think about how to present your discount, you should think about how you're visually presenting your sale price versus the original price. And one thing you can pay attention to is the size of the prices themselves. And in general, what you want to do is make your sale price smaller than the original price. It should be in smaller font. It should be visually smaller because you want to signal that it's a smaller price. Draw people's attention to that part of the deal. And what some researchers have done is they took an ad for roller skates and they presented the ad with an original price of $239.99 and a sale price of $199.99. And they either presented them like this, where they were equally sized, or presented them like this, where the original price was smaller than the sale price, thinking, maybe you want to draw attention to the sale price, so you make it bigger. And in another condition, presented it like this, where the sale price was smaller visually than the original price. And what they find is that this is the optimal strategy. When the sale price was presented in smaller font than the original price, it was perceived to be a better value, and there was greater purchase likelihood compared to the other two ways of displaying the original and the sale price. The reason for this is the congruency principle. The idea is that small matches low price. So there's a fit between the size that the price is printed in and the size that you're supposed to think the price represents abstractly as a low price. It's a small price, and when you present it in small print, it feels even smaller. So the sale price, when you list it, should be in smaller font than the original price to maximize the perception of a good deal.